Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah, and I am a student. Today, I am in a small, quiet cafe in London. Look outside. It is a beautiful, rainy day. I see a man sitting near the window. His name is Mark. He is drinking hot coffee. I walk to his table and ask, "Excuse me, is this seat free?" Mark smiles at me and says, "Yes, it is. Please sit down." We start talking. Mark is from New York, and he is a professional photographer. We talk about our hobbies for a long time. I tell him that I love reading books. I feel very happy today. It is a really nice meeting.